Anticipating the actions of other drivers could save lives. In an effort to reduce the number of traffic accidents on the nation's roads, safety experts are emphasizing the importance of anticipating the actions of other drivers. According to data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, there were over 6 million police-reported crashes in 2020 alone. Many of these incidents could have been avoided if drivers had been more vigilant about predicting and responding to potential hazards posed by others on the road. Traffic safety specialists suggest that drivers should adopt a proactive mindset behind the wheel, constantly scanning their surroundings and thinking ahead about possible scenarios. For instance, if a vehicle is swerving or braking erratically, it's crucial for nearby drivers to maintain a safe distance and be prepared for sudden stops. Similarly, recognizing subtle cues such as turn signals or changes in speed can provide valuable seconds needed to react appropriately and avoid collisions. Moreover, driver education programs are increasingly incorporating modules that focus on situational awareness and defensive driving techniques. These initiatives aim not only to improve individual skills, but also to foster a culture of mutual respect among motorists. By understanding that every action taken while driving has broader implications for overall road safety, experts believe that communities can collectively work towards reducing accident rates and ensuring safer travel for everyone.